Ton bag packaging machine is a large-scale weighing packaging equipment used for ton bag packaging materials. It is a multi-purpose packaging machine integrating electronic weighing, automatic bag removal, and dust removal. It has a high degree of automation, high packaging accuracy, adjustable packaging speed, superior structure, and a unique hydraulic lifting system that makes it particularly easy to handle ton bag packaging and is very convenient for the subsequent process. Ton bag packaging machine is suitable for ton bag packaging of materials in the mining, chemical, building materials, grain, and feed industries. Main structure of ton bag packaging machine, including pneumatic hook clamping system, air filling and air return mechanism, feed metering control mechanism, hydraulic lifting mechanism, conveyor roller, electrical control, etc. Technical parameters of ton bag packaging machine. Weighing range, 1 to 2 tons/bag. Bagging capacity, 0 to 40 tons/hour. Accuracy, dynamic weighing plus or minus 0.5%. Working power supply, 380 V, 50 Hz, 11 kilowatts. Air source pressure, 0.5 MPa. Air consumption, 0.6 cubic meters per minute. Dust removal air volume, 800-2500 m3/min relative humidity, less than or equal to 80% ambient humidity, -100 400 C. Technical features of ton bag packaging machine. 1. Ton bag packaging machine is tailor-made and designed according to the characteristics of powder materials and the different requirements of manufacturers. The equipment is advanced in technology, durable, and has few wearing parts. 2. The feeding and packaging of the ton bag packaging machine are steplessly regulated, the equipment performance is stable, the packaging accuracy is high, and the speed is fast. 3. Programmable electronic control system. The control process is highly reliable. 4. Advanced dust prevention and dust removal design reduces dust pollution in the working environment. 5. The weighing system is an electronic platform scale,